Honda's Bluetooth hands-free link feature lets drivers make and receive calls without touching their mobile phone. To pair a phone to Bluetooth hands-free link, first ensure that it's compatible by checking the phone's user guide. To go through the process, the vehicle must be parked with the ignition on. If your vehicle has an LCD audio screen like this, here's the process. Start by pressing the phone button to bring up the phone screen. The first time a phone is paired, a prompt will appear asking if you'd like to add a new phone. Rotate the selector knob to highlight Yes and press the knob to select it. Make sure your phone is in search or discoverable mode. See your phone's user's guide if you don't know how. When your phone appears on the list, select it by pressing the knob. If your phone doesn't appear, choose Phone Not Found. Then search for Bluetooth devices with your phone and select Hands-Free Link. The system will then provide a pairing code on the audio screen. Make sure it matches the code appearing on your phone and confirm on the screen. Some phones may also require that you allow the connection. A notification will appear on the audio screen when pairing is successful. Up to 6 phones can be paired to the Hands-Free Link system. To pair a second phone or more, press the phone button on the audio screen. A prompt may appear asking if you want to connect a phone. Select No, then rotate the selector knob to Phone Setup and press the knob. Select Bluetooth Setup and press again. Then rotate knob to Add New Device and press the knob. Then simply repeat the pairing process.